Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve another question, that is write a query to find total numbers of products in each category. So let's bifurcate this question. What we have to find? Write a query to find total numbers. So this is the first part of our question, like total numbers of what? Product. We have to find the total number of product. Okay, how? The condition is for each category. So let's see how. First check our database. What is our database? So we will write select star from orders to check what are the data available in our database. So let's run this query, and we got our data, and we have 9,994 rows, and these are our columns we have. So let's see what is there any column name as product. So here is the product ID, product name, because here it's asking for product number of products. So we will go with the product ID. Okay, instead of product name. We can also go with product name, but we will go with the product ID here. And there is a one more condition is here, which is category. So let's see what is where category is mentioned. Okay, so these are the categories: office supplies, technology, and furniture. So let's do how we can check our category. So we will write select category from orders, right? Because we have to get the category from the orders table. So these are our category. Okay, so to get the category, like how many categories we have, so we will use a keyword distinct to get what are the particular categories, because here the categories are getting repeated. So to get the unique category names, we will use a keyword name as distinct. So let's execute this query. Now we are getting our unique category name, that is office supplies, furniture, and technology. Okay, so these are the three categories which we have in our database. Okay, so let's now go to our second part, that is find total number of product. As I have already mentioned that we will use product ID instead of product name. So we will check how we can check our product IDs, how many product IDs we have in our database. For that we will write select product ID from orders. Okay, orders is our data table name. So let's run this. As you can see, we are getting 9,994 rows. That is same as the that is same number of rows which we have already in our database. So here are chances that product ID is getting repeated. So let's see how many distinct unique product ID we have. So we will write distinct in front of product ID. So we will get unique product ID names. So let's execute this. We are getting 1,862 rows. That means these 1,862 unique product IDs we have, right? So how we will get the number of it? Like what number we are getting here, we should get here only, right? Instead of this product ID names, we should get number, because here it's asking for number, total number. So how we can use how we will get total numbers? We will write a keyword as count aggregation. We will do aggregation. We will use the aggregate keyword, that is count, in front of this, and we will put distinct product ID in bracket. Okay, so here it will be like, first it will distinct our, how it will run. First it will go to orders table, then it will use the distinct keyword and find all the distinct product IDs, then count will work. Okay, then after distinct it will count the how many product IDs we have in our database. So now we are supposed to get 1862 rows, which we are getting here. We should get here, instead of these names we should get 1862 here only. Let's execute this query. We are getting, as I had mentioned, so we are getting the same row number 1862. So we will alias this as total number, total number, total products. Instead of total number, we will alias it as total product. Now let's run a particular query for this question. Okay, as we have already find how we will find all these things, so now we will write a final query which is select category, because it's asking for each category. So we will write category and we will just copy paste this thing. After category, we will write from orders table and we will group by. We will use a function group by because it's asking for each category. So we will use a group by category. We will use group by so that it will group by our product ID as per category. Okay, so let's execute this much query and we will get our answer on the basis of category. How many in furniture? You can see there are total distinct product IDs. In furniture is 365 and in supplies we have 1083 and in technology we have 404. If you sum these three rows, it will come as 1862 only, which we are getting from this. Okay, so this is how we can approach these kinds of questions, and this is how we can solve this kind of question. Thank you.